Okay, should be recording. Okay. Arms in 5, 4, 3. Camera's going 2. Yes. Okay. 1. Good. Okay, let's go.
Looks like it was going to on the radar. Where's Alex?
Running through. Wanted to catch the paper.
You didn't bring your coat? We'll fix that at home.
My coat's in the car.
We'll fix that at home.
That was good. Okay, the camera's off.
No, it looks like a good one, eh?
It just went straight up. It didn't turn at all. It's really raining now. Parachute isn't burnt at all. No, I turned it off about 5 seconds after it landed.
Is that like specific for like rockets, or can you use it just
Well,
like a
it's
general?
supposed to be a spy cam, but on the rocket website, it was under the category of onboard rocket cams.
It's a plane too.
I know, it's
Plane.
awesome because you could put it on the slow stick and everything.
You put it on the blue plane.
Didn't look like it went aside now. The blue plane would make it fly fast. The blue plane isn't the nicest plane for video anyway.
That's pretty good. Let's plug it in after. If I get a laptop or
What's that?
Diana gave it to me. Well, it was good for starters, but next time
what I could do, I could hook.
next time we take the Triton out, that's when
Look, what I could do, I could figure out a little USB jig thing or whatever. So what we can do, we could hook it up to the box, which will have 2 USB plugs on it, so you can plug it
What
into the
box?
box, and you can plug your iPods into the box, and it's just connecting into like a little electrical box or whatever, so you can take the video off the thing, put it on my iPod, and then I could look at it from there.
so why do we want to watch it
And
on
then
the
we could watch
iPod
the
though?
video, and we don't even have to be at it.
should. Because we would be able to show it to Uncle Chris. Or next time they come over, we can just show it to them.
Put it on YouTube.
Yeah. We can?
You can show
What do we show?
your teacher or your friends.
Yeah, we should.
Put those go-kart videos if you guys have the go-kart on there.
Yeah, but I can't find them. They used to be under the category of Luke Go-Kart and Alex Go-Kart.
Luke karting?
Well, that was a good launch. Everything went well.
I'm trying to figure out where I could get like files onto the iPod, like, and like figure out where I could.
Pretty sure you could just, because you know how it's, you plug the iPod in, then it gives you like music tracks, and you can
Yeah.
like take stuff on and off the iPod
Well, yeah, but we
and
have to
delete
put it,
songs
like,
off of it.
You know, I
could-
bet it would go to photos and videos.
Probably would.
Cause yeah, that's probably where it's gonna go.
If I wanted to show my teacher, Dad, I could just bring the USB.
Yeah, just bring the whole thing.
Don't have to put it on YouTube.
We could plug it in.
There's already so many videos like this on YouTube, though. It's not worth it.
You can put it, give it to your Mr.
Yeah, but it's the one that you made, then you can.
Yeah, I guess so.
This is mine.
It's the one that I made. Wonder who this dork is. Actually, that looks like a kid who's our age. We should see where he lives.
It's not a kid.
No, I think it's an older
Or a kid.
Oh, I thought it was a kid. From the way he was running. He's a guy.
Yeah.
That's
Like
no
he
kid.
almost fell down there.
Huh?
If he fell down, I would be
Be
like,
like, hey, man.
haha. He's got big leg muscles. He's hardcore. That was a dude, man.